Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
This says.
All right, so we got the whole morning fiasco under control. We got the baby going here. She's watching Masha and Loso. And we're on our way to the zoo for the very first time.
Safari. Niagara Safari.
Yeah, it's like a safari. We've been showing Aviana videos of zebras, giraffes, lions, tigers for the last, well, her whole life. And she's absolutely consumed by them. So today's gonna be really nice to see her face when she sees those animals for the first time.
Yeah, we're excited. More than her.
We're really excited. Aviana, are you excited? Excited? I think she's excited too. So we'll see you at the zoo. A couple stops on the way. Should be a good day. It's really nice out. It's 22 degrees and sunny, so it's perfect. Talk to you later. All right, we're just pulling in here. Obviously, as you can see, it's pretty busy. COVID restrictions have been loosened up here in Ontario, so everyone's out. See if we can find some parking. We're good to go. Let's get going. Crazy amount of people here. All right, so first up, we have flamingos. You see them there. Mira!
Wow.
¿Qué es eso? What do you think of those flamingos? Cool. I can't believe it. Mira, mi amor.
Miren los gallos.
¿Qué es eso, mi amor? Pollito.
Archie. This is Archie. He's 4 months old. And then this is Abigail, Archie's mom. Archie,
So she's full grown?
she's full grown, yes. Aww.
So Aviana's a COVID baby. So she's never seen animals really in real life. So everything we're showing her, she can't. So it's pretty cool. Nice little Father's Day out here at the zoo. We have lots more to see today.
No, mi amor, ese es el mono.
Mi amor.
Take a video of him.
See mi amor. Tiger's going ham on that. We're at the monkey section now. Aviana is just mind blown by the animals here. You want to be a monkey too, Mimar? Oh. every animal, she's just in shock. It's a really nice zoo here, Niagara Falls Zoo. We just started and we saw so many animals so far. It's a big loop you walk around in a big circle. Excuse me, sir, you're breaking the rules. Can you not read? Mi amor, mira. That's that leopard. Mira, mi amor. Just stopping for some quick lunch here. We're gonna go to see the bears later. Aviana, look! Lo oso. Sí, mi amor, mira. ¡Qué chelero! Thank you. Awesome.
Yeah, so you can feed them that you guys can divide it up amongst
Yep.
yourselves like that.
Okay.
Just please make sure not to pet the giraffe
Yep.
and not to climb up on the fence.
Sounds good. Feed them. Mi amor, mira. Ay. I can't remember. Your favorite animal? Un jirafa.
Ayun, dito na girafa.
Jirafa.
Mira. Aviana.
So pretty.
Aviana. Aviana.
She's just here for the snacks. Oh, qué rico. Okay.
Yeah.
We're at the Mira, mi amor, hipopótamo.
No.
Sí, mi amor.
No.
Hipopótamo.
Hipopótamo.
No.
Hipopótamo.
Mira, Aviana.
The jet scared him. Size of those things. Oh, jeez.
Dos dientes.
Gansos, mira. Please don't touch. I bite. Muy bien. Aviana, muy bien. Aviana. Loving it. The water park is really nice here. We're glad I'm glad we packed the bathing suits. Everything here is shallow, and there's tons of stuff for the kids to do. Aviana, what do you think of the water park? Eh? What do you think? She's loving it. That's it. It's Aviana. ¿Dónde está? Where's Aviana? Where is she? Where is she? ¡Ay! Mi amor, mira. Ostrich. Qué hermosos, mi amor. Look at that bird.
Zebra.
Why is the butt black?
Adios. Until next time. All right, we did it. We just got out of the zoo.
I mean, you got this before you go to your shit.
Aviana's tired. We're gonna head home now. Maybe stop and get some ice cream or something. And thanks for tuning it in. Just a little vlog, and we'll catch you next time.